Evening YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video, and tonight I'm going to be picking the core from this Chubb Padlock. Lovely lock, however the shackle was damaged, so I picked it, took it apart, cleaned all the pins. It was full of engine oil or whatever they use. This has been took apart. This is the core from that lock, from the padlock. Similar keyway to an American lock, to be honest. Really tricky pick. It's full of security pins to make life interesting, and I am going to have to pick this if it gets in focus. American style. I don't normally like to pick this way, but let's just give it a pop. So I'm going to just hold the tension wrench just like that. Pin 1 is just slack. It's not going to hold down, we'll have to adjust that. Just a little nip. I'll probably damage the lock doing that, but let's give this another go. Be the worst pick I've ever made this, but the profile is nice, the handles are just messed up. A little bit of movement there. This one's a bit better. Wide open keyway, but it just doesn't make the picking any easier, to be honest. The pins just set like different, it's just weird. That was 3, 2, and a good full set. So I'm going to go in now, looking for spools. I'm back on 3 here. That was 3, 4, 5, 'll come back to the front. I've never had a full set that fast. But this is going to be picked. I'll be buzzing if this is picked now. Oh my life, that is the fastest time I have ever done that in, like. And I think I know why. When I've turned it upside down, I've realised that pin 1 was just slack. There was no tension on it, so I think the spring's compressed. So what I'm going to do is quickly keep that like that and try and get this circlip off fast time. Come on. Oh, I done a reset. It's going to take us longer to get the circlip off. Come on, I've got 2 minutes left to do it. That's it, that should get it, that should. Hopefully. I really need to get a circlip remover. So if anyone's got any good recommendations for one, do put them in the comments, please. I can't believe how fast that's just picked. That's it. Combo. That's it. See if that'll work. Might be a little bit messy, like, but what can I do? It'll be really messy. But one pin. That was pin 6. Pin 5. Not all the spool pins. There's 30 seconds left. I'm just going to tip these. So bottom pins, the key pins. Quick time, come on, focus. Key pins were all, well, 1, 2, 3, 4 were serrated, and all of the top pins, the driver pins, were spool pins. Got 4-5 seconds left, so if you like the video, please subscribe and please leave your comment. It's much appreciated.